Oh, all right. My mic wasn't plugged in. My mic wasn't nice. Check one. All right, yo. Stocks 5150. Today is January 21st. As you can see, we're showing zero today. This is a new day. Man, the past 2 days been wild, yo. Let's look at this. Let's look at this. Let's look at this. Let's go to activity. We have no positions. Perfect. Perfect. No positions. You understand? This is a good thing. I'm going to explain to you why. Going to go to transactions. This is what happened today. No, 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 no. Yeah, this is what happened today. Today, I tapped out. So I got out of one position. I sold it this morning, first thing. It was at 8:52. I was like, I'm not going to hold on to this. Then, at 2 hours later, had I not sold it, of course, I would have had more, but I sold it. 2 hours later, bam, 694. Market's crazy like that, isn't it? Crazy. So, 2 hours later, I bought another position, and that was 142. And then 2 hours later, sold that for 26, got nine, then sold another one at 256, got eight. God is good. That's all I can say about that. So today we have made a total of 2337. Perfect day, beautiful day. Ouch. A hair bump or something on my back. But it was a good day. It was stressful in the beginning. And one coworker, he did say, he was like, man, don't worry about it. It'll come back. And I'm like, I don't know, man. This sucks. So look at this. This is why the past 2 days, we down 432 because that was heavy. 11, then 5, then 6. All of that happened on January 20th. January 20th needs to go down in history. Not a good day. Not a good day. Not for me, anyway. 5, 6, 11, 5, and 1. Well, this was on the 21st. So we were down a lot. Look at this. We were down. Where is it? Yeah, that's it. 5, 6, and 11. We were down $2,300. Then you add this one. Sorry, we were down 29. We were down $2,900. Then today, added that, we were down three. So what do we do? Got that chipped away. Got that chipped away. Got that chipped away. And this chipped away. And that chipped away. That chipped away. That chipped away. That chipped away. Either way, we know what it is. $400 total for its past 2 days. That's bad. That's negative. Yes. But we look at the 7 days because this is what we're coming up on. So 7 days, still negative. Damn it. I got some money to make. Past 7 days has been hard. Oh God, I'm getting stressed out thinking about it. Past 14 days, looking a little bit better, feeling a little bit better. Year to date, 25. Okay, life is good. We back on again, right? We feeling good. Look, that was instant. Like, ah man, wait a minute. This video ain't gonna be that good. So we back at 25. We are good to go. We are not tripping. No, we are not. And we're not trading right now either. We're not in any positions. We're not chasing or trying to replace. We should be pulling back. It looks like we are. What are we doing? Slight pullback, starting to climb again. So what do we do? Do we go into something tonight? See what happens? New day, new trade, or do we just play it safe and stay out? I'm gonna vote for play it safe and stay out. We're at 25, 25, 570. Yeah, there's no need to do nothing. You know, it's after hours. It already dropped down to there. 25, 467. I want to say that's why I even had my order at that I canceled. Let me look. If I did, that's gonna be crazy. What did I cancel? Orders. Oh, wait, cancel. No canceled orders? Yeah, I canceled that this afternoon. That was today. And it was for 25,361. Okay, so 25,361. So we didn't get down there. We went to, what was the low? 25,400. Okay. So where we at? We're not trading right now for tonight. We're gonna stay out. No need to do nothing. And overall, we still got room to go to the upside. Yeah, couple things to do. So we're right here on this level now. Had met some resistance right here, 20, 25.6. 25.6 met resistance, which you look back here, that was support. Makes sense. So right now on the 4 hour, we're coming up on the 48. Now we could meet that and pull back, or we could go up. Matter of fact, said we weren't gonna do nothing, but let's do a 25. What is this? The high of that candle. 25,582. Let's do 10 points. Let's see if it comes down to that. 25,582. I'm at 72. Like it's already heading that way. 5 minutes. I'm thinking you hit up 25,582 and pull back. I got an order in. Right, coming up. 572. We're good. All right, so we're pulling back now. 572, and the high of this candle was 578. The high overall was 582. So we're gonna need just a couple dollars, nothing heavy. We'll go right back to 582. Just an exercise in futility, nothing heavy. We might pull back to 557. So this was the high. We turned, and we got ours right here at the bottom. Yeah, 582. What was the high? Let's see. The high was 614. Cancel that. We'll see if we can get it a pop up to 607. 607. That'll give us 30 points, 28 points, 607. All right, 607, 608. Yeah, 610 looks good. All right, so we'll shoot for 72 on this one. See how much we pull back. We'll probably pull back. Honestly, I might have got in too soon. We'll probably pull back down to 557 and then maybe retrace or even lower, 531. Shooting for 70. Stocks are crazy. Stocks 5150. I don't know why that tab is open. Close that. All right, I'm gonna go up the hall. I gotta work out and I gotta eat. So I gotta go back to work tomorrow. This is gambling, ladies and gentlemen. I just want you to know that's all this is. But I can't help it. I gotta do it. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Stocks are crazy. All right, we came down, we touched that 48. I mean the 14. And now we're gonna head down to the 48. I don't know. Now I'm thinking I should have went short. That's how it goes, all right. But I figured that would be a pullback. Yeah. See if we get that pop up. Or we get a drop down. If we get a drop down and we go to 25, 508, I'll go long again and ride it back up. Wait a minute. Yeah. That'll be a 100-point drop. Shouldn't stay in that long, but I might because I'm crazy. Already in it too long. But we did bottom wick, so that's good. But I don't like how it's turning down. Should bounce. See what it look like on the 15. What's really going on? 15 was still up. Got a doji. Yeah. Probably gonna drop indecision. Maybe we'll come down to 457. 30-point drop. Be 70 bucks. On the hour. On the hour, everything's looking crazy bullish. 14's above the 48. 15, 14's above the 48. 5 minute is holding us back, pulling back. That's the second one. Moving down, curling. Yeah. Maybe we get us a bounce off the 14 and take us up. We don't need much, just a little bit. Muting the mic. All right, yo. So guess what happened? I went to take a shower and my water was off. I was like, what? So I've been spending the past, well, I don't know what time I started this thing, 2, 3 hours outside with a flashlight trying to figure out how to get my water on. Yeah. So anyway, what I had to do is I called the water company. Water company has you call the police, and the police call the emergency person that's on call. So a dude comes. Stop, yo, man, this is number one. Guess what? I've been sitting here talking for 30 minutes, maybe. The mic ain't been on. I can't even repeat what I said, but I said a lot. I'll just say this. Tomorrow is final GDP, unemployment claims, core PCE, and natural gas, and that's yellow folder. But before at 8:30 we have three red folders, two red folders, and 10 we have the one red folder, which is core PCE. So what I was saying was maybe I leave this trade on and see if I can get, you know, a little spike or whatever, or or I leave it off. I mean, let me see something because what did it do last time? Go back, go to the 4 hours. PPI. Yeah, we were down here. See, we still in this stupid range. That's crazy. We might be in this range all year, dude. That's okay. We can trade in this range all year. I'll make some money regardless, punk. Regardless, punk. Come on up. On the 4 hour, we're coming up. We need to cross. We get to cross over this 14, this 48, yo. We way down here. Get this stuff together, yo. Get this cracking. Keep falling. Now we at 86. This thing just keeps on falling. 586. 5 minutes cracking down. Look at that. Winding down. Curling down. Look at that curl. It is not my friend right now. Ugh. Excuse me. Oh, look at that. Yep. Gave it up. Fell off. Bam. Bam. There it is. Crashing out on me now. You see? This is when you say, I should have, would have, and I could have, but I didn't. So what are we doing now? We hitting here, maybe possibly back to this level right here and just stay there all night. That could happen. So we had our chance. We could have got that 60 bucks, 50 bucks, whatever, and we didn't. Or we're gonna bounce, but it's nowhere to bounce right here, except for right here. So that's pretty far down. 25, 581. 581 ain't that far away. Potential bounce 581, 577. Man, I was at 80. I could close out now and reposition myself. Well, now I can't. Now it's in the red. Damn it. I could have 585. All right, pulling back again. Well, we're at 608. We had a shot to get a little bit, but we chose not to. So now we got to deal with the max pain. How it's gonna go? I don't know what type of games are being played. How's it going down? 5 minute is. I don't know what that's about. How this card. There it is. Yeah, it's curling over on the 14. It's not bouncing on the 14. So we are coming back down potentially to 550, which sucks because I was so close. Yeah. And when I say so close, I mean I almost cashed out and I probably should have. Let's see. Let's get a bottom wick and push up. Really don't matter what happens. I'm gonna go to sleep, man. Pump this. All right, yo, peace. Stop loss? No. We'll wake up in the morning and be down 1,000 in the hole. I don't give a fuck. Yo, good morning, good morning. Yo, so I went to sleep last night because my water was off, but luckily got it turned back on. The guy that does the meters or whatever, he forgot to turn the valve back on. So, but I was able to take a shower because the guy got out here quick. So it was a good night. Why? Target acquired. Got our hit. Now we are turning back. Got 91 on the day, but we got some market data today. So I don't think I'm gonna make any plays. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Matter of fact, I'm gonna scrap this video. I'm gonna do a short